Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to IslamicReading.com. From today onward, we are going to start the basic Tajweed course of the Holy Quran. In this course, you will study how to pronounce the basic Arabic alphabets, how to make the short forms of the Arabic letters, movements of the Holy Quran and how to pronounce them, different kinds of signs in the Holy Quran, rules of the stops, and some general information about the Arabic alphabets. Once you finish this course, you will be able to recite the Holy Quran on your own or with minimum supervision. My name is Hafiz Adnan, and you're watching Basic Tajweed Course with IslamicReading.com. Let's continue. In the Arabic language, there are 28 alphabets. Out of 28, 3 are vowels and 25 are consonants. There are 2 letters which are written differently, but their pronunciation with the movement is same. That is why some people say that Arabic are 30 letters. 28 or 30, both are correct. Let's practice them one by one. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ho, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Bod, Tha, Ra, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. The 3 vowel letters are Alif, Ya, and Waw. Remaining are consonants. Now that we have read the basic Arabic alphabets once, let's try them once again, but this time with the phonetics and phonology. So what is phonetics and phonology? Phonetics and phonology is the parts of the sound. Whenever you say a letter or any sound, it has parts in it. For example, letter B. When we start saying this letter, our lips are joined together, B. And when we finish saying this letter, our lips are stretched sideways, E. That means that this letter has 2 phonetics, B and E. Let's see another example, the letter W. When we start saying it, we start with D, then B, then L, and then O, W. That means that W has 4 phonetics. The phonetics are important because when we want to pronounce the letter with the movement, we can't call their names. If we call their names, we won't be able to pronounce the movement. So to pronounce a letter with the movement, we use the first phonetic of the letter's sound. Let's try now the Arabic alphabets with the phonetics and the phonology. Pay really good attention because these phonetics are going to be used throughout this course. Alif, phonetics are A, L, F. Ba, phonetics are B, A. Ta, phonetics are T, A. Sa, phonetics are A. Jim, phonetics are J, E, M. Ha, phonetics are A. Ho, phonetics are A. Dal, phonetics are D, A, L. Zal, phonetics are Z, A, L. Ra. Phonetics are R, O, Za. Phonetics are Z, A, Sin. Phonetics are S, E, N. Shin. Phonetics are Sh, E, N. Swad. Phonetics are S, O, D. Lord. Phonetics are D, O, D. Thaw. Phonetics are T, O, Law. Phonetics are L, O, Ain. Phonetics are R, E, N. Ghain. Phonetics are G, E, N. Fa. Phonetics are F, A, Of. Phonetics are Q, O, Kaf. Phonetics are K, A, Lam. Phonetics are L, A, M. Meme. Phonetics are M, E, M. Noon. Phonetics are N, U, N. Wow. Phonetics are Ru, A, O. Ha. Phonetics are H, A. Hamza. Phonetics are H, M, Z, A. Ya. Phonetics are Y, A. Now let's see some groupings in the Arabic letters. In the Arabic, letters are grouped together based on some rules. These rules may include the common sound rule, similar or adjacent point of origin of the letter, and some other rules. There are actually many groups of the Arabic letters, but in this course, we are going to read few of them. The first group is called Throatal Letters or حروف حلقى. These letters are pronounced from the throat, that is why they are called Throatal Letters, or in Arabic, we call them حروف حلقى, and they are 6. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Next group is bold letters, and as the name suggests, these letters are going to be pronounced bold or in a heavy sound. Look at the green letters. They are called bold letters. We'll pronounce them with the heavy sound. For example, Kha, Sad, Dad, Tha, Ra, Ghain, Qaf. The ra letter is conditional bold letter. Sometimes it will be pronounced heavy and sometimes it will be pronounced light. We'll study this rule later in this course. It may be difficult for some people to memorize these groups. That is why some catchwords are used to remember them. For example, the catchword for bold letters is khoswa, tagtin, qaz, which contains all the bold letters. The third group is echo letters, and as the name suggests, these letters are going to be pronounced with the echo. In fact, there is a complete exercise about them. We'll study once we reach there. But right now, just remember that there are 5 echo letters: Qaf, Tha, Ba, Jim, and Dal. And a catchword to memorize them is Utubujaddin. Now, you may notice that there are letters which are the member of more than one group. For example, Qaf is the member of bold letters and echo letters as well. And Ghain is the member of throatal letters and bold letters as well. Remember, if a letter is a member of more than one group, then all the rules from all the groups are going to be applied when we recite that letter. In the end, let's see some common structures in the Arabic alphabets. More than 80% of the Arabic alphabets have common structures. For example, Ba, Ta, and Tha has this common structure. Jim, Ha, and Kha, they have this common structure. Dal and Zal, this. Ra, Za, this. Sin, Shin, this structure. Sod, Dad, this structure. Tha and Za, this structure. Ain and Ghain, this one. Remaining the letters, they have their individual forms. The difference in the common shape and the complete letter is the number and the position of the dots. These qualities of the letters, having different numbers and the position of the dots and the common structure, will be used to differentiate between the letters' short forms. If you can memorize these qualities of the letters, it will be very easy for you to understand how the short forms of the Arabic letters are made. That's it for today's lesson. Inshallah, in the next class, we are going to study the short forms of the Arabic letters. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.